Good day also, if you are in trucking business and you own HOWO dump trucks, the tractor head, or even the tippers, anyone that you own, and you are looking for the pricing or best place to buy brand new original spare parts for your truck, this is the best place you are. So in this video, we are going to be listing the full pricing of brand new original HOWO spare parts in Nigeria in 2025. We are giving you the price rundown and best place to buy the original ones, because the bad side of buying spare parts is if you buy the unoriginal one, the one that is not from factory, that part will not serve you well. It might even lead to breakdown of another part. So let's get started. We are starting with the engine because that's the heart of the truck. Coming to the engine, we start with the engine block. Let's say you need an engine block to rebuild your engine. So the pricing of the engine block starts at 1.9 million, that is 1,900,000, and goes up to 2 million naira. Then moving over to the available engine options, the 371 engine is available at 9.5 million naira, that is 9,500,000 to 10 million naira. The 420 horsepower HOWO engine is sells between 11 million naira and 11.5 million naira. Then coming to the differential backers, so this one sells between 1,050,000 naira and 1.1 million, that is 1,100,000 naira. The HOWO 371 injector sells between 60 to 70,000 naira. The 371 fan blade sells between 20,000 to 26,000. The turbocharger sells between 235,000 to 245,000 naira. Then HOWO 371 air filter between 17,000 and 18,000 naira. Then 375 injector sells between 800,000 and 870,000 naira. Then the bottom plate for the 371 sells between 60 to 70,000 naira. The complete engine kit for you to rebuild your engine starts between 450,000 naira to 500,000 naira. The HOWO cabin, this is in case if your HOWO got into auto crash, so and you need to change the whole cabin to still maintain its structural integrity and also safety, you can buy the HOWO cabin brand new for 10.5 million naira. So that's for the HOWO cabin for brand new. Then move over to the transmission. The 10-gear transmission system sells between 2.2 million naira and 2.4 million naira, and then the 12-gear transmission system sells between 2.7 million to 2.9 million. Then we go to the tires and the wheels. The rims ranges between 95,000 to 100,000 depending on the wheel thickness, that's the millimeter. Then the tires, the 315 reduced 22 tires sells between 200,000 to 230,000 naira. So there are different grades. So this is the list of brand new HOWO spare parts for selling in Nigeria and the prices. So if you need any of these spare parts, you need a brand new HOWO spare parts, do well to reach out to Alpha Luxury Wheels Limited on 08107992356 for a brand new original HOWO spare parts at an affordable rate, and they sell at importer's price, the price you cannot get anywhere else. So please, before you go, do well to like and subscribe, because we got so much more videos coming your way. Thank you.